Mughal kelima. Saat pemerintahannya pada 1658 Masehi, dinasti Mughal berada dalam masa kejayaan.
Shah Jahan, I can say one thing, that Shah Jahan was basically most fortunate Mughal emperor, in the sense that he was not having all those hassles or problems which his forefathers were had. Yeah. And because the situation was not so bad, therefore he had been able to create something very remarkable in the history.
Kemegahan dan keindahan Taj Mahal menjadi simbol cinta Shah Jahan untuk mengenang permaisurinya yang wafat, Mumtaz Mahal. Mumtaz Mahal adalah istri ketiga Shah Jahan. Ia merupakan putri muslim dari Persia yang bernama asli Arjuman Banu Begum. Mumtaz bertemu Shah Jahan pada usianya yang belia. Kemudian Shah Jahan menikahinya dan menjadikan Mumtaz sebagai ratu di istana sekaligus di hati kaisar.
You see, Taj Mahal was built in memory of his wife, Mumtaz Mahal, who died while in Burhanpur. Burhanpur is a city now in Madhya Pradesh province of India. And she was buried there for quite some time. In the meantime, this is always said to us that Mumtaz had asked her husband to build for her a mausoleum, which should be unparalleled. And therefore Shah Jahan had built that. And as we know that Taj Mahal is
terletak di Agra, yaitu sebuah kota kecil di negara bagian Uttar Pradesh, India bagian utara. Membutuhkan waktu selama 22 tahun untuk membangun Mahakarya, salah satu keajaiban dunia ini. Shah Jahan mengerahkan 20.000 tenaga kerja, arsitek yang paling ahli, seniman ahli kerajinan tangan, para ahli kaligrafi, pemahat, dan ahli batu dari seantero India, Persia, dan Turki. Bahkan 1.000 ekor gajah juga dikerahkan untuk membangunnya.
How such a building can be created? The very idea conceived by the people. Yeah, they must be genius of a great and then the architect, after architects, the people those had constructed that. The idea, the people those had translated that idea into a practical monument. Yeah. So they must, you see, if you go to the Taj Mahal, can you tell me a person without having a proper, perfect geometrical sense of proportion can create those arches? No.
Bahan bangunan terbaik didatangkan dari seluruh India dan Asia Tengah. Batu pasirnya dari tambang di dekat Fatehpur Sikri. Marmer putihnya didatangkan dari Rajasthan. Sementara batu permata berasal dari Punjab, Tiongkok, dan Tibet. Batu lapisnya diimpor dari Afghanistan, sedangkan batu safir dibeli dari Sri Lanka dan Arab. Setidaknya ada 28 jenis batu permata yang digunakan untuk menghiasi Taj Mahal.
And therefore, Shah Jahan had built that. And as we know that Taj Mahal is one of the miracles. And after the completion of Taj Mahal, her body was brought from Burhanpur and she was buried here. But later on, Aurangzeb, the son of Shah Jahan, had deposed his father, arrested him, and he was imprisoned in the fort of Agra. And after his death, he was also buried.
Al-Quranul Karim. Sebagai kaisar Mughal yang paling banyak membangun karya megah dan spektakuler, Shah Jahan juga membangun sebuah benteng di Old Delhi. Dikenal dengan nama Lal
Rp15.000 hampir sama dengan harga yoyo. Tapi yang ini lebih dahsyat. Aks mini baru cuma Rp15.000. Mau